Welcome to Universal Reads. Body parts. Let's start. Face. This is face. Eyes. This is eyes. Eyebrow. This is eyebrow. Nose. This is nose. Lips. This is lips. Teeth. This is teeth. Tongue. This is tongue. Mouth. This is mouth. Ear. This is ear. Head. This is head. Cheek. This is cheek. Chin. This is chin. Hair. This is hair. Neck. This is neck. Shoulder. This is shoulder. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Thumb. This is thumb. Nail. This is nail. Chest. This is chest. Stomach. This is stomach. Subscribe now. Legs. This is legs. Knee. This is knee. Thigh. This is thigh. Foot. This is foot. Toe. This is toe. Let's revise. Head. Hair. Eyebrow. Eyes. Nose. Ear. Shoulder. Neck. Teeth. Chest. Tongue. Arm. Elbow. Hand. Thumb. Finger. Stomach. Thigh. Legs. Foot. Toe. Knee. Subscribe now.
Thank you for watching. Please like and share.